home to Suite 219 at 4550 Fraser Street. Welcome to the Century. The Century is in a superb location only minutes to amazing cafes, restaurants, and shops on both Fraser and Main Streets. Built by renowned developer Ledingham McAllister, this solid, problem-free building offers an exceptional one-bedroom suite with an expansive 280-square-foot patio deck on the quiet side of the building. This spacious home showcases an open concept floor plan with beautifully engineered wood floors, a living room with a cozy fireplace, and floor-to-ceiling windows. The suite is complete with secured parking and a storage locker, and the building offers its residents the convenience of a party room, 2 electric vehicle charging stations, a grocery store, and a pharmacy. The east-facing deck is private and ideal for enjoying morning coffees and evenings with family and friends. It's a true gem. Gourmet kitchen features brand new stainless steel appliances, a mosaic tile backsplash, sleek black granite counters, and a large kitchen island. The large primary bedroom is home to a proper walk-in closet with built-in cabinetry, as well as a cheater ensuite bathroom that features a deep soaker tub that's decorated with mosaic marble tiles, and there's a linen closet with plenty of storage space. There's also a bonus den space perfect for creating a home office or perhaps even a nursery.